It was £50 on on the web. Did they say like but hi guys, good morning. No, actually it's not morning. Good afternoon. Happy new month of December. Welcome to the month of December. I'm so grateful to God for how far He has brought us. I mean, from January to this moment. Today is December 4th, 2025. And yes, all glory to God for how far He has brought us. So this is the beginning of a new vlog. Today is 4th of December, like I said, and this is almost 12:30-ish. I'm just coming down from my room to get something to eat. I don't know if I should call it breakfast or brunch, but sometimes if I'm free, if I'm free in the morning, I'm not the type that eats early in the morning, except if I'm working. If I'm working, because there's a break time in the morning, like 15 minutes break time, so I tend to eat something light, like bread, or just take a cup of tea, or maybe yogurt. Or if I'm at home, or maybe I'm working a night shift, like today I'm working a night shift today, so I have the morning to evening to myself. Most of the times I rarely eat breakfast, like normal breakfast. You get breakfast in the morning, so I eat my first meal around 12ish, 1ish, or 2ish. I know it's not good because breakfast is very, very important, especially when I'm not fasting. Why shouldn't I eat breakfast, right? That's not good enough. Don't be like me. But yeah, so I'm just getting down from my room to get something to eat. So I have yogurt and granola. I think I'm just going to take that. But I also plan to cook later in the afternoon, later in the day, before going for my shifts. Yes, so I have a lot of things to do today. What I want to cook, I want to get ready for night shift, I want to work on my system and maybe edit some videos. Yeah, it sounds like a busy day, and I hope to get maybe at least 2 hours rest before I go for my shift later today. My night shift usually starts at 8 o'clock, and I will leave the house around 7:15 or 7:20ish, because my place of work is like 30 minutes walk to work. It's going to rain today. I would have cycled, but I'm not going to cycle in the rain. Anyway, so I will leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy this vlog, and I hope I will have enough time to make good videos and vlog. Thank you. I don't know if I should cook rice. Let me even see if this tastes nice. Yeah, I should cook rice.
So today's Thursday. Are you working tomorrow night?
No.
Day after
I'm
tomorrow?
working on
Friday,
Saturday night.
Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
You are working those days, no?
A few moments later.
I'm ready for my night shift, so I don't know where the light is. I'm ready for night shift. Yeah. It's kind I'm ready for my night shift. I don't know. Anyways, guys, I'm going for my night shift. I'm working with Gary Max tonight. Yeah.
My shoes?
Yeah.
Not £2.50.
Bread. What's this? Let's see what's inside. Potato. My grapes. That's heck. I got Christmas decor. Today is Today is 6th of December. Today is 6th of December. This is from H&M. If you watch my last vlog, you will realize I said I ordered a winter coat from H&M. I hope this is it, yeah. And this is also another parcel from H&M. You might likely not open this because this is a gift for someone. And yeah, this is from Vita Baltics. And I ordered some stuff from Shein. Outfit check. I got this winter jumper from Primark. Very nice, very, very fluffy. I mean, it's so nice, so warm, and it's smooth. So I love it. I bought two. I bought this color and I think pink or peach color. There, but go and watch the live vlog. You will see it there. And on a blue jean. And yeah, I've not made my hair. So today is Saturday. I'm going to wash my hair later in the evening, and then on Monday, next week Monday, I'll go to my stylist to make my hair. That's the plan. Fingers crossed. So yeah, without further ado, let's open. Ta-da! Ta-da! So guys, let me tell you something. I recently find out that I've been taking my vitamins, very wrongly. I usually take all my vitamins at the same time, and that is whenever I remember. And most of the times, I always remember to take my vitamins when I'm going to sleep. That's later at night. But I realized that I've been taking them wrongly. It doesn't make sense taking all your vitamins at the same time while going to bed, right? So I had to make research to see or to know the right time to take my vitamins. And so I was like, oh, I'm going to share this information with you guys out there, because I'm very sure I'm not the only one that takes my vitamins wrongly. So iron, I will start with iron, because as a lady, it's very essential if you can take your iron almost every day, especially immediately after your monthly menses or menstrual period, because we lose blood every month. So iron tends to help us to replace the lost blood during our menstrual period. So it is very good to take iron, and it contributes to the reduction of tiredness or fatigue. So when is the right time to take iron? First thing in the morning on an empty stomach. So it's always advisable to take it on your empty stomach. First thing in the morning, take your iron on empty stomach. Ensure that you're not taking tea or coffee at that period, and if you can take it with orange juice, that's great, that would be lovely. But if not, you can actually take it with water as well. And another one, after taking your iron, you can take vitamin B, while taking your breakfast. It's also in the morning, because vitamin B gives us energy, like it energizes us. It's a energy giving vitamin. So I'll be taking it at night, and I realize I've not been sleeping well because it keeps me awake. So you should also be taking in the morning with your breakfast. And vitamin D, it helps your immune system. It helps your immune system to function normally. And because I'm not getting enough sunlight, I have to take vitamin D supplement. And appropriately, it should be taken at lunchtime with meal, at lunchtime, or later in the evening, like evening time, like 4 p.m. with meal. And magnesium, the premium quality. Magnesium should be taken at night. This is the only vitamin that should be taken at night, because magnesium helps the body to maintain normal energy release from food. It reduces tiredness. It helps you to relax, to rejuvenate, to get that maximum strength that you require. And that is what magnesium does. So it makes your body feel relaxed. It just helps to prevent tiredness as well. So magnesium should be taken at night. So this is the only correct one that I've been taking at night. This is the only vitamin that I've been taking correctly, and which is at night. Every other ones that I've been taking, I've not been taking them correctly, and that's why I've not been getting the full benefit from them. So I hope you learn from this video that the right time to take your vitamins. This is my first time of buying Vitabiotics. I've always been a fan of both. But yeah, these people, they did what is it called, November sales, Black Friday, and I was like, why not? Let me use the opportunity to get this. So I think this was like £3, and I said, let me get 2 of them. Viola. Let's offer this with love, H&M. I'm so excited. Look at it. I hope it's not too big for me. I hope it's my size. I chose UK 4 size, or size 4. That's extra small. Let's see. Guys. It has no pocket. I actually thought this as a pocket, but there's no pocket. I'm disappointed. I'm really disappointed that there's no pocket. Like, how? What is this? There's a story behind this. There's a story behind this coat or jacket. So let me tell you the story behind this coat. The first time I ordered this coat, I ordered it twice. So the first time I ordered, it was £50 on the website. And it was meant to be delivered like 5 days after the day I ordered. I ordered on the 17th of November. I was supposed to get it on the 22nd. And they sent an email that it has been delivered. I was at work when I received the email that it has been delivered. On getting home, I realized that nothing was delivered. In fact, I even thought it was delivered to a neighbor, because my house, there's a house that has a similar address to where I stay. So I went to that house to check, but I couldn't, I didn't have a chance to see anyone living in the house. So I just sent an email back to, I called the customer care, the H&M customer care, to let them know that I didn't get my parcel and I received an email that has been delivered, whereas nothing was delivered. And they're like, oh, we are sorry about that. We're going to refund your money. And then they are also going to give me 20% voucher, so that the next time I, get some stuff from them, I can use the voucher. So I got the voucher and I got my money refunded. Then Black Black Friday came, and this particular jacket, that same jacket, was also on sales. And I thought it was £50, it was now £35. I was like, come on, why not? So I ordered again at the rate of £35. So, and I got it like 4 days after I ordered it at £35. I was so happy that the first one was not delivered because how would I have gotten my £50 and the 20% voucher? Come on. Anyways, this is it. I don't know if I will return it. I will decide, and I will let you guys know if I'm going to return this or I will keep it. I don't like the fact that there's no pocket, because I like something that I can dip my hand into. Oh, why? But it's better than that of Primark. I mean, the length and the fashion wise. Let's move on. And this dress, I hope it looks nice. I hope it's my size. I really do hope it's my size. See.
Yes, it is. It's such a I prefer that one. Where did you get that one from?
This is Panland. This one is such an hard work. Do you want me to do it?
That's fine. I'll do it. So how is it going to inflate the head now? Let me hold it. Then.
Our Santa is here.
We can hang it with this.
Yeah. Is there a rope there?
We just have to like
Get a rope. Garima is enjoying it a little too much.
and enjoy decoration. Ooh, where is Santa? Okay, should we put the Santa here?
Yeah?
We have got different
Nails
places.
there.
Or there? Higher. Where do you prefer?
I think Kaya is nice.
There?
Yeah?
Okay. We
There
don't
is
have
a stool.
lights. Okay, put few more things here, like maybe those plants and all.
Yeah. Setting up Christmas.
This there, like this. And then for Christmas Day, we will then put few more things here.
Yeah.
For now, Santa, you can stand here.
And the tree.
Yes.
And then we apply the sticker. Nice. When next we are free. Oh!
Yes, we can apply some sticker on this as well.
Fridge too.
Yeah.
Christmas, 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 Christmas.
No, it won't stay.
Setting up our Christmas decoration. Oh!
Yeah.
mean, it's not an urgent delivery. Okay, let's do it every day.
These are nice. Such a nice gift. Such a thoughtful gift.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! May that's so nice! Merry Christmas from Garima and Hi. We love you. Say cheers. I hope you enjoy your Christmas. I hope you have a lovely Christmas celebration. And may the joy of this season abide with you all. In Jesus' name, I wish you Merry Christmas. Love you.